Hello, good morning. My name is Abhijit Pawar and my wife Anuradha. And now today we are getting discharged from this hospital. We got a baby boy on 22nd of June, and it was really joyful, to stay over here, considering their how they are taking care of people. Actually, when we came to Lalwani, I know this hospital way back, maybe 10 years back, when they were they were in very small locality, and we had one case wherein my one of my friend, I'll not name him, but he had a very premature baby, and then somehow because of some facility issues, that baby shifted to Bharati Vidyapit. And the way this hospital took care of him as well as baby, that time it really clicked, like this is the hospital probably we may look in a future that yes, if they grow they will grow like anything. And when we had our own unpleasant experience in 2020 May, we decided yes, we have to take a pause, and then we have to think of course another chance. This is our second baby. And then yes, we got a good news there. We are expecting, and then we decided we should go to Lalwani. And then we were here almost, I think, 10 or 12 months back. Yeah. And then we started our treatment. After taking first step itself, you will realize the professionalism of this hospital, the way security behaves with you, the way they are asking you the question, and the way people are treating you at the reception, and the way they are giving you, the way out, and they are explaining you what is the procedure right from booking the appointment. And in COVID situation, I would really like to appreciate, because I knew, because I was part of our COVID task force when we ran in our company, and fortunately that time we didn't had any case, but the way these people are taking care, being a medical facility, it is really commendable. When we got admitted on 22nd, I was little bit afraid, like there was one board like only one person can accompany your patient. Then I was little bit of afraid, or maybe you can say in a dilemma, what to do. And then I decided, okay, let's see what happens. Then I talked to Lalwani ma'am, probably can we allow to have one more person in the room. But then they said, no, it's only one person, you have to choose whether that person should be you or somebody else. Then probably I felt bad, like no, they should allow. But when I sat on sofa back, I thought why they have not allowed. And then I got to know few of the cases from the staff and the doctors. Then I thought, no, this is the way. Probably you feel bad for a moment, but then it is for your good. And I'm telling you, I accompanied my wife for almost from 22nd till date. You can see nobody is with us. We have shifted our own, items, and then of course with the help of the staff. But at any point of time, we never felt, like we are left out. There was somebody who was there, accompanied us, properly guided. And it was like I just stepped out from my vehicle, and then we came to this room, then we got delivered, and then after that we are staying here, absolutely no issues. Rather, I can tell you, many other hospitals also, I will not compare, but I can say many hospitals, they are offering you the packages, and of course facility might be great. But I can tell you, if you want some family package, probably I can say this is the best family package or family feeling you can get over here. They have very good pediatricians. Of course, it's a young staff, but young, dynamic. They are caring, and they know the subject. Probably they will explain you not in a professional way but in a day-to-day language or in a day-to-day life by giving example, illustration. Okay, this is what it is, and probably you must have done this, and that this is the effect of this, so you have to take care this in future. This is, and that, you know, built my confidence. And I can say within these 5 days I hardly, you know, felt like in, no, I am, of course, it's a baby, then you get exhausted, but I don't felt like, no, I should have been somewhere else or I should have been got discharged. Rather, I can tell you, we ask Lalwani ma'am and sir that probably we are not feeling comfortable, because yesterday we were supposed to get the discharge, but somehow we were not comfortable. She was in pain, and then we explained it to ma'am and sir. Then probably can we get one more day? Then there only one statement probably boost our confidence and probably her confidence also, like in the moment you feel comfortable that you are going, you want to go home, till the time you will be staying here, absolutely no issues. And that's the confidence I think one patient or maybe the person who is in need of some advice, or who is in, you know, medical emergency, I can say, or in, say, medical dilemma, that person probably wants this kind of statement, confidence boosting you know, statements, and that will give you the feeling. And yes, I can say overall we are very much happy. Probably I can say canteen food also I liked very much. It is not like, you know, other hospitals wherein you will get stinking. As far as COVID-19 and cleanliness is concerned, I can top rate this hospital, because I have personally seen after every might be 2 or 3 hours, maybe 2 or 3 hours, these cleaners, sweepers are coming, they are cleaning the room, and if you tell them this is probably is not cleaned, they will come again, they will never ask you the question, and they will do it so nicely, and they are so polite. Even at the night, probably you just rang the bell, and then maybe a next second they are available at your door. So in all, I can say I am very much happy, and probably of course on coming Tuesday also we are coming over here for vaccination of baby. Overall, it's a great feeling and homely feeling over here. Thank you.